Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's trick, how to find average. So first of all, we will discuss the traditional way. In traditional way, how we do? The numbers are given, we will just add all those numbers, and after adding all those numbers, we will divide by the total numbers given. Here, when we will add all the number, we will get 176 and we will divide 176 divided by 4. When we will divide 176 divided by 4, we will get 44. But this is very lengthy process. If big numbers are given and you have to ask to find the average, it will take so much time. Now I will tell you the fastest way. And you can say that is the magical trick to find the average. All those numbers are near to 40. Okay, after that you will see 43. 43 is how much greater than 40? It's 3 greater than 40. After that you will see 46. 46 is 6 more than 40. You will write plus 6. 49. 49 is how much greater than 40? It is plus 9. 40 plus 9 will be 49. And then 38. Here you can see 38 is less than 40. And how much it is less than 40? 2. So you will write here minus 2. After that you will add all those numbers, how much greater and less than. You will add 3, 6 and 9. When you will add 9, 6 and 3, you will get 18. Right? After adding 18, you will subtract 2 from that. Getting my point? 9, 6 plus 3. 18. 18 minus 2 will be 16. After that, you will divide by the total numbers given. Total numbers are 4 given. So, you will divide 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Now, this 4 you will add into the 40. 40 plus 4 is equal to 44. And this is the final answer. If you like my video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.